I lead a team to provide innovative solutions to the customer. The career move I'm most proud of is I moved from engine side to the transmission. It's not a promotion at the time, but it gave me the long-term of success for my career. My piece of advice for women is don't be afraid. Take all the opportunity you can learn and speak up. When you have a great idea, if you speak up, people will know what you're thinking. If you don't speak up, you may lose the opportunity to put this great idea into innovation in the future. Before I joined Caterpillar, I think Caterpillar is a traditional machine company. But after I joined Caterpillar, I learned a lot. There's a lot of great new technology, great people to work together with. For example, autonomous, hybrid, smart sensor, smart iron, also smart people we work together with. So I'm very excited every day to come back to work. If I'm going to tell the younger version of myself 50 years ago, I'll tell her, be confident, be yourself, don't be afraid. Don't think about because you're a woman, you cannot get the same opportunity as other people. I think I can leverage my technical experience and also leadership to have influence on the Caterpillar strategy in the future.